Namaste, मैं Dr. Suraj हूँ. I'm a urologist practicing in Malad. I also am attached to Nanavati and Arogyanithi, and I specialize in laparoscopic surgery and laser surgery.
परफेक्ट। एक क्वेश्चन जो हर किसी ने आपसे पूछा होगा वो ये होगा कि आपका लॉकडाउन कैसा रहा?
Lockdown was good. Actually, it was quite good. Actually, I'm not so social, so it didn't make a big change in my life otherwise also. But we had a lot of change in work. The way we were working, the hours that we were putting in, there was a big modification. On the plus side, there was that you get to spend more time with the family. So earlier we never got to spend so much time with the kids and at home. And now there is, I think, a sort of a work-life balance that we are also able to strive towards. So you work in the morning, you go finish your surgeries, you see the patients, and you probably get home by early evening or late afternoon, and then that's pretty good. You're at home after that, yeah. So yeah.
जैसे मेरी कई सारे लोगों से बात हुई ना, सबने कुछ ना कुछ नया ट्राई जरूर किया है। आपने क्या नया ट्राई किया?
I read books, I have hobbies, so now you can do time, you can spend some time doing the things you want to do. Earlier you would not have time, you come at night and you're squeezing hours from here, minutes from here and minutes from there. Now you have enough time, so you can do all the things you wanted to do. It's basically reading, I read a lot, yeah.
लव।
Yeah.
नाइस नाइस।
जी.
तो आज हम लोग जिस टॉपिक पे बात करने वाले हैं, हमारे जो व्यूअर्स आपको देख रहे हैं उनको बताइए कि प्रोस्टेट एक्चुअली है क्या, क्योंकि सबको पता है इस चीज के बारे में लेकिन डिटेल में नहीं पता, जो आज हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो हमारे जो लिसनर्स आपको सुन रहे हैं और जो आपको देख रहे हैं उनको बताइए प्रोस्टेट के बारे में। व्हाट इज प्रोस्टेट?
So essentially, prostate is a normal gland. It is present in all men. सब gents में होता है.
जी।
It is not present in ladies, and we are all born with it. Even an old man has it. Even a young boy has it. As we grow older, the size of the prostate increases in size. Yeah,
जी।
and some amount of this increase in size is normal. It is physiological. It is not a disease. Some amount of it will occur with age in everybody. So we have to understand how we age differently. Everybody, they get white hair at a different age, yeah? So some people, they get white hair at 30, others will get white hair at 50. So similarly, with aging, the prostate is going to increase in size, but it does not increase at the same rate in everybody. In some people, it may grow fast. In others, it may grow slowly. In some people, it may become big. In others, it may remain small. In some people, it may give a problem. In others, it may not give a problem. What we need to understand is that some people, they go for a checkup and they say, oh, I got this, I'm absolutely fine. I went for my health checkup and sonography said that the prostate is big. This is a very common thing. But you see, that is not a disease because that prostate is there in every man. You don't have problems, you don't have symptoms, it does not need treatment. Yeah. So it is very important to understand that this gland, if it is symptomatic, if it is giving problems to a person, then it is a problem, then it is a disease, and then it needs to be treated. Yeah.
तो इसके आसपास बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स भी हो जाते हैं ना, इसके वजह से कौन से प्रॉब्लम्स है जो लोग फेस करना शुरू कर देते हैं?
So problems can be different in different people. So to understand के you understood कि ये सब में होता है, सब में बढ़ता है, but इसका पेशाब से क्या संबंध है? Why should it affect urination at all? So I don't know if you can see my hand, yeah? This hand, imagine that this hand is a prostate. If the hand is a prostate, this hole in the middle, this is the urethra, पेशाब की नली.
Okay.
तो पेशाब की नली प्रोस्टेट के एकदम बीच में से जाती है. अगर हमारा प्रोस्टेट बड़ा हो जाएगा तो ये नली पर दबाव देगा, नली बारीक हो जाएगी तो हमें पेशाब करने में तकलीफ होगी.
Okay.
पेशाब करने से जो तकलीफ आएगी इसकी वजह से इट कैन बी ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स. कुछ लोगों में इट विल बी ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिव सिम्टम्स, कुछ लोगों में इरिटेटिव सिम्टम्स. तो स्टोरेज सिम्टम्स इस प्रकार के होते हैं कि आई एम सिटिंग कंफर्टेबली, आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू, सडनली मुझे पेशाब करना है, आई कांट कंट्रोल इट, ओके बाय बाय, आई एम गोइंग. सो it can be urgency. You may have urgency, you may have difficulty controlling urination. On the way to the bathroom, some amount of urine may leak out. Sometimes we go to the bathroom very frequently, maybe every half an hour, 45 minutes, 1 hour. And for some people, they wake up many times at night. Anything more than 2 is considered abnormal. So some people have 3, 4, and say 5, 6, 7. So it depends. For different people, it is always different. This is all storage symptoms, meaning when your bladder is storing urine, these are the symptoms you would face. Sometimes there will be voiding symptoms, meaning symptoms when we are passing urine. So while passing, these people may have difficulty to start urine. Sometimes the flow may be slow. Sometimes it may start and stop. It may not come in a good flow. Interruptions, straining, they have to wait for some time. And sometimes after you've passed urine, you're not satisfied. You're not happy. You're like, oh, I'm not feeling like I finished. So that is another feeling that these people have. Yeah.
तो BPH क्या होता है? जैसे मैं पूरा जो मेरा क्वेश्चनर है मैं वो रेफर कर रही थी, उसमें BPH लिखा है, तो मतलब मैं बहुत क्यूरियस हूँ जानने के लिए व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली BPH?
So BPH is what? Basically, the full form is benign prostatic hyperplasia. What happens is that it's just a fancy word. BPH, it sounds very fancy. It is not. Benign meaning it's not cancerous. It's not having any cancer. So benign. Benign prostatic. It's from the prostate. So B and P. Hyperplasia means an increase in the number of cells. So when there is an increase in the number of cells, it is going to increase in size also. The increase in the number of cells can be either muscular cells or it can also be glandular cells. So whenever there is an increase in these cells, the prostate will increase in size, and with this increase in size, it will cause symptoms to the person. मतलब तकलीफ होगी, और ये तकलीफों को हम फिर BPH कहलाते हैं.
तो इसके causes क्या हो?
Causes, usually BPH जो होता है, it occurs in people with aging. The most common associative factor is aging. As we grow older, it is going to happen. It may not happen in everybody. So as we cross 35, 40, it starts at that point in time, but usually becomes symptomatic after 50. Most people will experience some form of symptoms between 60, 70, 80 in that range. Yeah. And it also has a strong family history, meaning sometimes it runs strongly in families. It is more common in twins, in first degree relatives, brothers, fathers. And currently some data has also shown that it is associated with metabolic syndrome. So metabolic syndrome is basically again, it's just a fancy syndrome, but diabetes, hypertension, hypercholesterolemia, all these metabolic problems that you hear about, it is all these problems together. If you put them in a basket, it is called metabolic syndrome.
तो इसके सिम्टम्स बहुत ट्रबलसम होते हैं, मतलब जैसे मेरे पहचान में कुछ लोग हैं, मैंने जो सुना है, तो बहुत ट्रबलसम सिम्टम्स भी फेस करते हैं, तो क्या रीजन है?
So imagine if you have to wake up at 6 or 7 times or 8 times at night. I wake you up, go pass urine, come back and then try to sleep. Your sleep is going to be disturbed. You're going to be tired the next day. It's difficult to then go on with your work, and it's tiring. Yeah. Sometimes you have urgency. It's embarrassing. You pass urine in your pants. Nobody wants to do that. You're at work, you're with people you know, and these are things which can be really embarrassing and compromise your confidence also. So different people have different symptoms, but I feel that there's a symptom score which tests how much bother you have. If the bother is a lot, you should not wait. Moderate bother also, you should start with treatment. Nowadays treatments are so good, medicines are so nice, so we should take use of that. Yeah.
यानी बेसिक प्रॉब्लम जो सबसे पहले शुरुआत होती है लोगों को जो फेस करते हैं वो ये कि बार बार वॉशरूम जाने के लिए उठना पड़ता है. दैट इज द फर्स्ट सिम्टम?
यस, इट यूजुअली इज. या.
ओके. अब जैसे टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी अच्छी बढ़ती जा रही है, ऑब्वियसली ट्रीटमेंट ऑप्शंस अच्छे होते जा रहे हैं, तो पहले के कंपैरिजन में और अब के कंपैरिजन में ट्रीटमेंट ऑप्शंस में क्या डेवलपमेंट हो गया है?
Treatment options have changed a lot. So first of all, there's a vast improvement in medicines. And earlier, how there were these 1 or 2 medicines which also had a lot of side effects. Now you have medicines which have much fewer side effects and which are much more efficacious, means much more effective, and they are safe for the patients who've had heart surgery, who've had angioplasty, who have had cardiac problems. They are a little afraid. I don't want to take any medicine which will have any cardiac side effects. So there are medicines available for all sorts of patients which have very, very few side effects, and they are very, very safe to be taken for maybe 10, 15, 20 years. There's no problem. Yeah. There are these medicines which will decrease the chance of you having complications, obstructions, and surgeries. So the incidence of surgery, if you take these medicines, goes down by almost 53 to 60%, which is a very good number. Yeah. So if we need these medicines, we should not have that hesitation कि ये गोली add करें कि नहीं करें. How it is some people want to color their hair. If you don't want white hair, you color it. So if you don't want surgery, you just take this medicine. You'll avoid it. Yeah.
मुझे आपके एग्जाम्पल्स बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं, मतलब डिटेल में समझ पा रहे हैं इससे हम जो आप एग्जाम्पल दे रहे हैं कि अच्छा इतनी सिंपल चीज है, तो इतना डरने वाली चीज नहीं है, अवेयर होना जरूरी है. नहीं,
जरा भी डरने वाली चीज नहीं. It's not scary at all. Yeah.
तो और कौन सी चीजें हैं जो आप इंक्लूड करना चाहेंगे कि जो व्यूवर्स देख रहे हैं उनको वो चीज डेफिनेटली पता होनी चाहिए?
For what? For prostate or for what?
प्रोस्टेट, यस।
So prostate में क्या होता है कि whenever you do get this problem, if you are symptomatic, ठीक है ना? Not that I've got this report and I've got a prostate. That even I have a prostate. But if you have symptoms, if you are troubled, then you should meet a urologist. You will get checked up. Whenever you go to a urologist, they will do an internal examination or checkup, which is important, and it should be done once a year. Once you start treatment, another problem for patients is that suppose you start me on treatment and keep calling me every 2 months. It's harassment for me also. Okay, I don't have time every 2 months to come and meet you. So you don't need to worry about that. So with prostate, if you are on treatment, you simply need to meet the doctor once a year.
ओके।
As long as there's no complications or problems, you need to meet the doctor once a year, and you need to get your annual checkup and reports done, which I think anybody in that age group should do on a yearly basis.
ओके, ओके।
Yeah.
तो फाइनल मैसेज जो लोग आपको देख रहे हैं उनको क्या देना चाहेंगे आप?
Don't worry, it's fine. If you ever have any problems, seek a doctor close to you. Seek the doctor in the right time, and I think the right time is very important, because all medications have a time during which they will be very, very effective. And once that time is gone, then we sort of lose the bus. Yeah, the bus is gone. So there's nothing to worry. Don't be afraid. And even if there is lockdown, don't worry. You can always start medications, take teleconsults, or do whatever you need to do. But don't be suffering at home. That's the only thing. Yeah.
लॉकडाउन में वैसे इसके केसेस बढ़ गए, कम आए? जैसे मैं किसी से बात कर रही थी, कोई एक डॉक्टर से बात कर रही थी, उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि लोग ना लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे बाहर जाना प्रेफर नहीं कर रहे थे, पसंद नहीं कर रहे थे, डरे हुए थे। तो उनका जो स्टेज 1 की प्रॉब्लम है वो सीधे स्टेज 3, स्टेज 4 पे पहुंच गई। तो क्या ये प्रोस्टेट में भी देखा है आपने?
So what you are saying, it is true that people end up in complications. Meaning now, what if I had problems, but I don't want to go to a doctor. कि मेरा पेशाब थोड़ा थोड़ा अटक के आ रहा है, I have to wake up 4-5 times at night, मैं चला लेता हूँ, I don't have a problem, it's okay. मुझे हॉस्पिटल नहीं जाना, मुझे कोविड की जगह नहीं जाना, I don't want to get out of the house only. So what happens is that if I deny myself treatment at that point in time, I can land up in a complete blockage or other problems, infections, bleeding, and those things. But I don't think it is something that is very we are not losing out too much on that, because now I think there's a new avenue of teleconsultation. So a lot of people are approaching online, on telephones, on video consultations. So yeah, so in that sense, now I think the initial effect of where people were afraid, that is not happening anymore. And I think it is rightful. Everybody should be afraid. Even we were afraid a little bit. Yeah. So the other thing we need to understand is when you are doing surgeries, when you have, there are cancers, you can say, okay, prostate hai, aapko takleef hai, you want to get operation, take these medicines, we should not do anything now. We can wait for 3 months or 6 months. Prostate is not an emergency. It is never a problem. If you don't get operated today, you can do it after 3 months, after 6 months, after a year, you decide, yeah?
Okay.
But there are certain diseases where you don't have this liberty. In cancer, you don't have this liberty.
Exactly.
For kidney cancer, I can't tell you, okay, look, there's a lockdown and we'll let's meet next month. It can't happen that way. So in cancer, in a month or 2 months, the entire stage changes. So prostate cancer, kidney cancer, bladder cancer, these are patients where we have been operating even through the lockdown. It has not made much of a difference in those numbers. Those patients have been going on only elective surgeries, which were not truly emergency, not truly required. We would also prefer not to have done it when we don't know what the outcome of the disease was. The other problem is that for patients, 60% of patients are asymptomatic. In COVID, 50% or whatever, 60% odd are asymptomatic. Meaning I could have COVID. I'm not coughing. I don't have fever. I don't have a problem, but I could have COVID now.
True.
So anybody can have COVID. And if they have COVID and they are asymptomatic, meaning they don't have any symptoms, and you go ahead with surgery, there is a 27% chance of mortality, which we don't want. No, 27% chance of mortality means death. 27%, I am not willing to take that risk, even if the patient is. So first of all, patients will not take that risk, nor will the doctor. And if we need to do the surgery, then we must get the COVID report done. We must document that it is negative, and only then proceed with surgeries. Even that is holding true even today, yeah?
नहीं, ये बात तो सही है आपकी। मतलब पूरा जो क्लियर पिक्चर ऑलरेडी हमारे सारे व्यूवर्स को दे दिया है